Hi everyone, hello, how are you? So, welcome back to English class. So, today we are moving on to revision number 6. So, today we are going to deal with past tense. In past tense, we have studied two types, that is simple past tense and past continuous tense in this semester. Okay. Studied present tense and simple present tense and present continuous in last semester. So I'm going to describe in briefly what is simple past tense and what is past continuous tense. Okay. So what is simple past tense? The simple past tense is the regular verbs is marked by ending D or ed. The irregular verbs have variety of endings. So you know what is the difference between regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs means the spelling doesn't change and we add only ed, but irregular verbs means go will become went. For example, go will become went, like that. Okay, so that is why it is said that irregular verbs have a variety of endings. So you know the difference. In the video which I have done about past tense, I have said in very detail. So if you have any doubt, you can go back to that video and you can check that. Okay. So in simple past tense, what you have to understand is that it mainly talks about your habitual behavior, your regular routines, what you were doing, like that is told in simple past tense. Okay, so simple past tense means it is in very brief, it actually ends in d or ed, and regular verbs have variety of endings. Now comes what is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is formed from past tense of to be with the base of the main verb plus ending ing form of the verb. That means past continuous tense means it is an ongoing process. What has happened in the past is told in past continuous tense. Now, when we see the examples, you will clearly understand. Um, 10 examples are given about the simple past tense. The two boys played with the ball. See, play is a regular verb, so ed is added to make it past tense. Okay. An old lady walked with her cat. A nurse brought a little girl baby to the park. The old man sat down and read his book. Okay, sat down. Then Michael studied hard all the year. So you see the difference. Where is irregular and where is regular verbs. Then Amelia choose to stay with her father. Mary forgot to turn off the light. I cancelled my meeting for tomorrow. I went to school yesterday. We played basketball last Sunday. So I hope you understand what is the difference between regular and irregular verbs. Now moving on to past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, I said that with was and where we add the past form. We add the verb, and with the verb we add ing. So how is past continuous tense formed? Was where plus verb plus ing. So where we have to use was and where we have to use where. Was we have to use with all the singular things. Okay, like he, she, it, we have to use was, and they, we, there we have to use where. Okay, so they were drinking coffee when I arrived. I was watching football match on TV when he called. The earthquake, the spelling of that earthquake is mistaken, so you take care. Was scaring all of us. We were eating when our friends showed up. So why we were came, you think about it. Okay, the police was chasing the man while you were talking. We were going to cinema yesterday at this time. John was reading English book while Mary was watching TV. What were you doing at this time yesterday? You were studying chemistry all day yesterday. While I was studying at the university, I met her. So these are the examples. So I hope you understand what is past tense and what is past tense and what is the difference between simple past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, I'll be giving you the worksheets, so you try to solve it out. Thank you.